Hello children, Sujata Mrs. here with another video for class 10 ICSE board. Let me start with the chapter Water Resources. Rainfall is the main source of fresh water. Now let's divide the sources of water into two types. One is surface water, the other one is groundwater. Surface water, this water is available on the surface of the earth in the forms of rivers, lakes, ponds, canals. Whereas in case of groundwater, the part of rainfall that seeps through the cracks and crevices underground is groundwater sources. That means whenever rainfall takes place, certain amount of rainfall will definitely seep underground and thereby it accumulates underground and forms groundwater source. Now surface water, loss of water is more here, either through evaporation or through plant transpiration. Whereas in case of groundwater, loss of water is less. Third, surface water is definitely more polluted, whereas groundwater is less polluted. And groundwater, the availability of groundwater depends on the topography of that region, and it also depends on the climate of that region. Next children, what is irrigation? The irrigation is the process of supplying water to the plants or crops by artificial measures like wells, canals, tanks, etc. Let us do today that why India needs irrigation. India needs irrigation. The first reason is monsoon rain. Monsoon rain in our country is erratic. We don't know when it is going to come, when it is going to depart, how much rainfall we will have this year. So very difficult to predict. Erratic, uncertain, sporadic in nature and unreliable. Remember these four adjectives. Okay, erratic, uncertain, sporadic and unreliable. We cannot say definitely when monsoon is going to arrive, when it is going to depart, what amount of rainfall it is going to give in particular region. Second, rainfall is unevenly distributed over the year. Maximum rainfall we have between June to September. Rest of the months it is dry, except of course Tamil Nadu receives heavy rainfall during winter season. Third, rainfall is unevenly distributed over the country. There are some places like Meghalaya, Assam, Kerala, they receive heavy rainfall. Western coastal plain of Western Ghat receives heavy rainfall. Whereas we have certain places like northwestern part of India, including the states of Rajasthan, western part of Punjab, then the leeward side of Western Ghat, they receive less rainfall. So rainfall is unevenly distributed. Fourth point is to grow crops during winter season. That is all the rabi crops, especially for the cultivation of wheat in Punjab, rainfall is very much required. And then irrigation is very much required. And then last point, certain crops like rice, jute, sugarcane, they need lot of water, which is not always enough by rainwater. Rainwater may not be always enough. So that has to be supplemented by irrigation. So that's all for today children. Next video I will be discussing different methods of irrigation. Okay children, I am again please requesting you to please share and subscribe my channel. And if possible, you give your comments if you like it, if you don't like it, whatever it is. Thank you children.